どんなに遠く離れたって決して夢は終わらない
Yeah. God help us all. Okay, so back 2 pieces. Oh, did you know that this card is actually named Singapura? I am not even kidding. Okay. Okay, so we have a shiny. Oh, it's an SR, it's Lancelot. Pierre. Oh shit! Oh shit! Okay, you know what? Okay, it's a rare, it's a 3 mana 5k vanilla. And we have Lancelot.
I think you should just care about the shiny one.
And it's Lancelot.
Shiny.
Oh
Shiny,
shit,
shiny
oh
dragon,
shit.
Shiny dragon to
Oh, oh. Okay. Apparently, Pierre has all the luck in the world, and he's found a dragon. This pack contains a dragon. So, this, and we have a 3 mana 5k vanilla, and we have the blue dragon. Holy shit. It's 8 mana 11k, you rest 1 blue mana. I'm not really sure of the effect, but it's a pretty good card. It's a pretty bloody good card. Stop opening packs. You get your chance later.
This will take forever if I just open all mine.
No, you... okay, you know what? Yeah, so... Lucas has decided to open the pack, his deck.
I go by 3 names now.
Yes.
Soon,
Sorry.
Soon you shall call me the admin.
Okay, Pierre is going to open a 1 pack while I open 1 pack now. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. We ran into some minor technical difficulties. Basically the battery died. Okay, so from the pack that we opened earlier, this is the rare. It's a 6 mana 9k FOC. Where did all the SRs go? God damn it. Okay. So we actually cleared up the area as well, so yeah. So we have this. And this, I have no idea what this does. So yeah, it's a 3 mana 4.5k ignition something plus 10k or minus 10k, I'm not even sure. Okay, so we are each going to open 1 pack now. I'm not sure. Okay.
Holy crap.
Okay, you see, okay, this is an R. Okay, so the next card is actually a shiny. Oh, it's just a common. So it's a 4 mana 5k FOC. So yeah, and we have a shiny common. That kind of sucks. Okay.
This will not get it.
Okay, so back and front. Oh, I realize I still have some comments and uncommons here. 1 second. Okay, so we have this. Oh shit, I saw something in the back. Okay, this. We have R, black R.
Look at the last
and
one. Oh shit.
Oh shit, it's a ZXR, which is the 2nd highest rarity level. It's really nice.
Shiny.
It's going. It fetches quite a bit, but I don't think it's actually it's really fully usable. So yeah. So this would instead of the shiny SR, you might actually get a ZXR, which is something like this, just like really shiny, or you might get an IGR, which is the highest possible rarity. No, but if you get a ZXR or a shiny SR, it's impossible to get a.
But we got a lot of shiny SRs.
No, we didn't get a lot of shiny SRs. No, those are just standard SRs.
Shiny SRs are the full points.
Yeah. So if you get a shiny SR, it's impossible to get a SR. If you get a shiny SR, it's impossible to get a ZXR or a IGR anymore.
So you just get one shiny.
Yeah, you get one shiny, really rare one.
Or in Vanguard terms, it's just...
An SP.
And I got another one. Oh, where is it?
Why does Pierre always seem to be getting the good packs? Okay, you know what?
You also open
5
the-
mana. 4, 3, 4, 5. Evo Seed, 5 mana. 5 mana, 6.5k. So yeah. Effect unknown.
It's okay, we'll just share it.
Yeah.
My favorite cards are the ones with no text.
Those are vanillas, Pierre. So, uncommon and R. I can't remember the effect of this. Damn. Okay, so this, and we have the Black Dragon.
I think there's a lot of black stuff.
The Black Dragon, 7 mana, 9.5k. You may, you may take 3. I think it's you discard 1 card from hand, and you may choose any amount of cost 3 or less from your opponent from the field, and you may remove it. It's a pretty good card. It's pretty good. Okay, so yeah, I'm left with 2 packs. Lucas or Pierre or Caliber is left with 3.
You can call me A1.
Legion would be a better name.
No, those who play StarCraft will know.
Shut.
StarCraft reference.
Yeah. So 2 mana, 4 mana, 4 mana, 3 mana, 8 mana, 8.5k. Better be pretty good. Okay, so we have a 3 mana rare,
3 shinies in a row.
and it's a shiny common.
Is this even possible? 3 shinies in a row. The shiny are, but still shiny.
Okay, so yeah. Okay, so like this.
Yeah, it's 1.
No, it's not equal. I open.
Oh, I should open 1 extra first.
Okay, so we have 2 mana, and it's an R 4 mana. This one pairs together with the black one, I think. And we have shiny R. That's pretty okay, I guess. Pretty okay. This one pairs together with the black one, I think. The black rare that when you put it together, blah blah blah, stuff happens, yeah. In a resource. Okay, so we have this, which looks pretty cool actually. Okay, with the Big Ben. To be honest, that is the Big Bang.
Bang.
Okay, so it's a 7 mana 8k, range 2, and it's a white vanilla.
Yellow. Okay.
It's white. God. Why are all the vanillas
The border?
rare? I don't understand.
Why wouldn't the rare be vanilla?
Why?
Broccoli has to go. I mean, they made Blaster Blade, like people are, and they made Blaster Dark and are.
Come on, don't be such a sport. Well, I don't play SP, but yeah. Okay. And we have an R, vanilla blue, 3 mana. Whoa, no, it's not vanilla, it has ignition. Oh wait, all the vanillas have ignition. No, I'm probably wrong on that. Don't quote me.
Hey, Snapura.
Hey, we have another one of our kind.
And a shiny Easy.
Okay, well, Pierre has spelled that for you. Singapore. Yeah.
In case you haven't found